Plan your escape on the Norwegian Escape. This large ship has a great variety of restaurants and amazing entertainment, but be sure you plan ahead. There's so much to do that you'll definitely want to have a game plan before you step on board. In this video, I'll tell you about some of the amazing and delicious food on board. I'll also tell you about some of the coolest bars you won't want to miss. And we'll go through a bunch of the activities that you definitely will want to be sure to work into your schedule. And before we're done, we'll offer up a couple tips. Be sure to download our Ship Guide digital download. Our Norwegian Escape digital download is linked in the description below. Now let's talk about the food, starting with Ocean's Neighborhood Bar and Grill. The food there, all day long. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, all complimentary, no extra charge. Great food. You can get yourself some wings, maybe some chicken and waffles. Get breakfast, a lot of awesome food. Also included in the price of your fare is Garden Cafe. That's Norwegian's buffet. They've got different food available at different times of day. You go there and eat at your leisure. More complimentary options. The main dining room. Norwegian Escape actually has 3 main dining rooms, including the Manhattan room. Very elegant setting. Savor and taste. 3 main dining rooms to choose from. For an extra charge, you can check out one of my favorite steakhouses, Cagney Steakhouse. Their ribeye, I highly recommend. Cagney Steakhouse. Another cool option that's available on Norwegian Escape is Food Republic. Whether it's to go there for sushi or teriyaki chicken or whatever you want, they've got a great selection of food to choose from. And you can go and order from the touch screens on your table, order up some food, just kick back and relax. Food Republic, a la carte items, awesome place to check out. If you like Italian, another specialty restaurant option is La Cucina. La Cucina has great Italian food, amazing service, and it doesn't cost a lot extra. Another great option, Moderno Churrascaria. It's a Brazilian steakhouse. The servers have skewers, and they cut off whatever type of cut you want. Awesome food, beef, chicken, pork, and you have as much as you want. If you're looking for another specialty dining option, there's Le Bistro, the French specialty dining restaurant. Great options, including lamb and other French entrees. Awesome desserts. There's also teppanyaki. This is where the Japanese-style steakhouse where they will prepare the food in front of you. Very entertaining. If you haven't been to teppanyaki before, be sure to check that out. If you like this sort of content, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Like this video by clicking the thumbs up icon below. Now let's talk about the bars. Starting with Tobacco Row, a bar based on the historic Miami bar. Great place to go and have one of many kinds of whiskey they have. Get a cocktail, kick back and just relax and enjoy the ambiance. If you're more into beer, maybe you want to check out the District Brew House. A great spot to just relax and enjoy a great beer, great company, and awesome surroundings. Another favorite on Norwegian Escape is the Sugarcane Mojito Bar. If you're into the mojito, there's no better place to go than Sugarcane. Well, they haven't left the wine lovers out. Norwegian Escape also has Cellars Wine Bar. Cellars Wine Bar has an awesome setting, very laid back and relaxed. Great spot to get your favorite glass of wine. Another option out by the casino is Skyline Bar. The Skyline Bar has a nice metropolitan feel. Great place to get a beer, cocktail, sit back and just relax before you head off to your next activity. If you're looking for a place that's center of activity in the evening, the Spice H2O Bar is a great spot to go. Enjoy music and dancing and have a great drink out at the back of the ship. Great view, very entertaining. Spice H2O Bar. I mentioned Ocean's before, and I was talking about the food, but it is a bar and grill. So the food's complimentary, but of course you got to pay for the drinks unless you have the drink package. But if you want a nice Irish pub for your drink setting, Go to Ocean's neighborhood bar and grill to get yourself your drink, and you can get some of that complimentary food while you're there. Now let's talk about the activities on board. Norwegian Escape is a huge ship with a lot of great activities, including the Aqua Park. Aqua Park is a great place to go if you love water slides. And for the kids, there's even a second Aqua Park just for them. It's the Kids Aqua Park. Also for the kids are the Kids and Teens Clubs. For the little kids, there's a nursery, Guppy's Nursery. For the older kids, there's Splash Academy, Norwegian Classic. And for the teenagers, oh, they got them covered too. It's Entourage, a hip, cool place for the teens to hang out. Entourage. One of the great features on Norwegian Escape is the waterfront. Deck 8, wrapping around almost the entire ship, is an area that you can walk and enjoy the view, sit down and relax. And it even has some outdoor dining for many of the restaurants on Deck 8. The waterfront. This is definitely a hallmark of this class of ship. Something else you won't want to miss, great spot to go in the evening, is Headliners Comedy Club. Go and have a few laughs, have a few drinks, and enjoy comedy at sea. If you're feeling lucky, head to the casino. Of course, the ship has a casino. It's actually a pretty big casino, and maybe you'll win big. Now, Norwegian is known for many things. One of them is definitely their entertainment. Norwegian Escape has some great entertainment, including shows like After Midnight and Howl at the Moon. Be sure to check on your particular sailing to see what's available. If you're looking for something a little more relaxing, head to Mandara Spa. They've got this thermal suite, the salt room, the snow room, massages, all kinds of options at Mandara Spa. Plenty more activities, including shopping, karaoke, trivia, and more. Be sure to check it all out in our ship guide, our digital download linked down below. Now, time for a couple tips. Tip 1, skip the free open bar offer if you're not a big drinker. Accepting the free open bar deal means paying significant gratuities. So, you might find it's not worth taking that freebie after all. Tip 2, be sure to reserve your specialty dining and shows before you board. Actually reserve them as soon as you possibly can. The most popular restaurants, dining times, and shows actually may sell out by the time you actually board the ship. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's just a way to follow us. It doesn't cost a thing. It's really the only way to ensure you don't lose track of us and you see our future content, because we got a lot more planned. And tuned in Monday nights when we have our live show at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Be sure to download our digital download for the Norwegian Escape. It includes information on the restaurants on board, the bars, activities, can tell you where to find things, can tell you what costs extra, and we're throwing in a bar crawl guide. So if you're interested in checking out the bars on board, it's a great way to make it kind of fun to check out the bars. Thanks for watching.